What is up? This is Danny, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, coming at you from the Wicked Awesome Grow Room. Tonight I'm really excited because we're going to be seeding some more peppers. I think I was just so excited to be filming for this channel the first night that I was talking to you all about the plans and the things we're going to grow, and I didn't actually show you how I seeded those peppers. So I'm going to do that tonight because I got more peppers in, and I'm so excited because I'm growing paprika peppers, and not just the Loot Shower peppers that I had ordered. Pepper Joe's, dude, they're not paying me for this, but I'm going to tell you, they are a great website if you are a pepper lover. I'm actually not really a pepper lover, but they're gonna make me one, because not only did I get the Loot Shower peppers that I wanted to make a Hungarian paprika, they sent me 2 samples that I didn't even know were part of the package. One of them is another paprika pepper, and one of them is a Trinidad scorpion pepper that might just be a little too hot for me, but I'll give it a try. Anyway, I'm going to take you along start to finish while I seed these peppers, and then in our next video, you're going to see what the bell peppers and the jalapenos look like now, so you can see what they're going to look like very soon. Let's get into it. So what I have here is a pre-moistened Jiffy organic seed starting mix. I'm just gonna get out some of these clumps. The way I have it set up here is that this seed starting tray overhangs the table a little bit, and anything that I pull up, I can just sprinkle right in here and not worry about making a mess. Once you think you have them full enough, just give them a little press down. I find just using the back of your fingers to lightly press those down. That way you know you don't have any big holes that are going to just, see, like that one might just went right in there. There we go, that's a little shallow. There we go. I find the ones in the middle fill up just fine, and then the ones on the sides sometimes need just a little extra. That way you know that when you water, it's just not going to create one big sinkhole. But you don't want to fill them all the way to the top, because then if you do top water at all, it's just going to run off the sides. So another reason I don't want to fill these to the top is that when I start these pepper seeds, I'm just going to place them where they're meant to go and then sprinkle the soil over the top. So these are what the pepper seeds look like. If you've ever seen a bell pepper in the grocery store that you've cut open, that's what they look like once they dry. Pepper Joe's gave me 5 Trinidad scorpion pepper seeds. I'm going to put them in here like so, like the side of a dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to mark that right now because, believe me, I do not want to forget where the super crazy hot peppers are. I got these chiltepin peppers from M.I. Gardener, and I'm going to put those here down below the Trinidad scorpions. I'm going to put them here below the Trinidad scorpion peppers. I'm going to keep all my hot stuff over here. And then the rest of this will just be nice, sweet bell pepper and paprika. I have a few extras of these, so I'm going to put them in a 4 pattern. Give them each the most room that I can before transplanting. And because I'm putting them in a different row as well, I'm going to make one extra label. just so I don't forget that this is chiltepin. The chiltepin pepper is very, 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 very hot. I don't even know quite what I'm going to do with them yet, but they're here. And for these 2 cells here, I'm going to put more jalapeno. I did get quite a few jalapeno seedlings already started, but I feel like I need some more. So 10 more seeds ought to do it. And these seeds are my own from my own jalapenos last year. I had a fantastic germination rate with those, so I'm really psyched that they're doing so well. They look beautiful right now. Let me show you actually. Check out this gorgeous jalapeno. It's already got 2 sets of true leaves. It's starting its 3rd, and then when they grow up a bit more, I'm going to show you how I top them to increase pepper production. So keep an eye out for that video. Now on to what I'm really excited for, the Lutschauer peppers. These are a Hungarian pepper. They are slightly spicy, like not even as spicy as a jalapeno, not even close. I'm going to use these to make my own paprika, Hungarian style. Did I get everything? I got everything. I really want these to have a great start. I'm going to put, let's see. I don't know how many seeds exactly I've got here. I'm going to put them in a 4 pattern. Yep, looks like they will take up an entire row. There we go. And 1 extra, I'm just going to pop that right in the middle. There are my beautiful Lutschauer peppers. Something else that I'm really looking forward to trying is my other free gift from Pepper Joe's, and that is the Alma paprika pepper. I'm going to put them right up here. This was a free gift. I wasn't expecting it at all. I didn't know that they sent along free seeds. But I am very excited to try these Alma paprika peppers. I'll mix them up maybe with those Lutschauers and see how the combo does. Everybody knows about M.I. Gardener. They have amazing seeds. I love his channel. There is so much information, and Luke is just such a giving person, putting all of that information out there just to grow the movement of growing your own food. It's really, really cool. He is extremely knowledgeable, and I have learned so much from his channel. I highly recommend you check him out, order seeds from him, but also check out Pepper Joe's. pepperjoe.com, Pepperjoe, pepperjoe.com. They got me these Lutschauer peppers. I found so much information on their website, and they gave me a couple other peppers to try. How awesome is that? I am definitely going to be ordering from them again. So I'm going to put in some of these Purple Beauty. I don't think I need to do too many. I'm going to grow a couple in my garden, and I'm going to have a few extra for the seedling sale. Sometimes people like those colored peppers, so we'll put a few in. Actually, I think the seed count is only 15. I'm just going to throw them all in. I'm going to plant these 4 to a cell. And what do you know? Works out just right. Doing 4 to a cell. And of course, don't forget to label. Now that I've finished seeding these peppers, I find myself with 4 empty trays. I don't need any more peppers. I've got plenty of bell peppers. I've got plenty of jalapenos. I don't need to plant any extra of those. I've planted all of these seeds that I have, and I don't want to waste this space. So I'm going to plant some extra eggplant in here because I didn't really have as many germinate as I would like. I'm going to plant 4 Rosa Bianca in these 2. So I'm just going to put these 4 to a cell. We'll make it 5 since I had 10 seeds in my hand. And the Black Beauty I will do in the same fashion. All that's left is to cover these over. So we're just going to gently sift a bit of soil on top. We just want to cover them a little bit, not too deep. Make sure there's no clumps. This is very fine soil, this seed starting mix, so it's going to mean there's very little resistance for them to poke up through. Give them a nice little pat. Make sure there's good contact with the soil there. Grab the handy dandy spray bottle as usual. Give these a good spray to moisten that soil that I just put on top. This soil was pre-moistened, but it never hurts just to give it a little extra. And I'll continue to spray these every couple of days. Keep the tops nice and moist until the seeds germinate. Now that everything's situated, we'll put the humidity dome on top. That will help keep the soil moist. Peppers can be tricky to germinate. They actually like a little bit of warmth, and a lot of people use heat mats. If you don't have one, that's just fine. Putting it on top of your refrigerator is actually a great way to replicate that without having to go through the expense. This tray of peppers will go on the second shelf right here. That's about 6 inches above the heat register. All that warm air rising will keep the soil nice and warm. The peppers will love that. It'll really give them a boost for germinating, and it won't hurt the eggplants either. In fact, they will love it. So call me a nerd, but I am really excited to make my own paprika. I think I actually might even make it a gift for my mom. And those purple peppers, come on. That's going to be a conversation starter for anybody who walks by my garden. You see red in the grocery store along with green all the time, and sometimes you see the orange and the yellows, but purple? Between that, the black tomatoes, the white tomatoes, there's just going to be a lot of conversations going on. Thanks for coming along while I got my hands dirty today, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please click here for more content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited to go through this journey with you while we grow something wicked awesome from yard to table.